Hello, I'm Greg from Flyability, and in this video we will talk about how you can safely handle the drone while in flight. The spinning propellers of any drone pose a safety risk, but due to its small size, Ilios 2 is equipped with relatively small propellers, which must spin at extremely high speeds. Touching these while they are spinning will cause very serious injuries. However, the cage provides a protective barrier from the propellers, which allows you to handle the drone while in flight if needed. Doing this, be sure to maintain the following precautions. Wear gloves. Hold the drone at the level of the bumpers with flat hands only. Beware that any damage to the cage will reduce its ability to protect the drone from impacts and you from the drone. Broken pentagons also have sharp edges, which is another reason to wear gloves. If you must grab onto the cage, grab it at the top to keep your fingers as far away as possible from the propellers. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help keep you and your drone safe.